Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to a little bit of a Pepper van life update. Let me talk about a couple of upgrades that I wanted to do on the van. The first one is we've got roof bars on. Now I was told that these roof bars are universal because you've got Vauxhall, Toyota, whatever other brand. They're all universal. Well, when it comes in the kit, they don't quite fit this Citroen for some reason. There was a little black block that it showed in the instruction manuals that this van doesn't have. Whether they've been removed or whether that's just the other van, I don't know. But we've got them on and I like it. I think it looks good. It just adds that little bit of je ne sais quoi to your van. Gives it. I like the fact it's black as well. I didn't want silver at all. Next thing that I looked at a bonnet bra. Now, all I can say to you is do not put a bonnet bra on your van. It's the last thing you want to do. I got a Toyota mechanic who I know to come and actually put it on for me. And when he put it on the front of the bonnet, first thing he said to me was, this is going to wreck your bonnet. Because it touches so tight when you put the screws down that it actually scratches and you get dirt and grime and everything else under there. And he said it will scratch all that metallic paint off the front of your bonnet and you're going to have to get it resprayed or leave it on. Terrible. The clips that fit on these bonnet bras onto this particular vehicle, the Citroen Dispatch, what you tend to find is that the edges of the bonnet are really thin, but the bonnet at the bottom, you know, as in the front, it's thicker because there is a lip underneath. So when you put the clips on, they snap. So we snapped one of those and immediately he said, right, we'll get these in hot water. They go on, okay. But as soon as it was on, you could see where it would rub and he just said, you don't want this on your vehicle, get it off. A better suggestion would be just to get that little front bonnet vehicle wrapped. Get it in black, it'll look great in black. So I might do that instead. Now I know you're going to say, well, what do you need it for? It's just to add that little bit of Gucci-ness to your van. Make it your own and customise it a little bit. A few other little things, but I'll probably leave that for another van life video. This has just been a quick update. I've still got to sort out the new pipes and all the bits that the garage were going to do as well and didn't do. So thanks for that. For the disc backer, because the pipe underneath is corroded and they didn't they used zip ties instead of bolts and blah, 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 blah. But that's enough of that. It's time for me and Pepper to hit the streets, or the hills, or the dales, or the peaks, or wherever else we end up. Any questions, any feedback, you know what to do. Life's an adventure. I'll see you in another Pepper vlog update. Come on, real soon.